How to convert PowerPoint to MS Word editable file. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your PC or laptop and open the file that you want to convert. Once you have opened it, you want to click on the File option at the top. Once you click on this, you want to select the option of Save As. Now click on Browse. Then you want to locate the destination where you want to save your file. Then click on the option of Save As Type and select PDF from these options. Now click on the option of Save. As you can see, the file has now been saved as PDF. Now you want to open up MS Word. From here, click on File at the top. Now select Open from here. Now you want to click on Browse and open the file that you have saved as PDF. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear saying that Word will now convert your PDF file into Microsoft Word editable file. Click on the OK option. Depending on your file size, it will take some time for the conversion. You can see that now your PowerPoint has been changed into MS Word editable file. Now you can edit this as you want, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.